stage. So let's get started. But from Africa, our great white pelicans. But from Asia, our spot-billed pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, here comes our Dalmatian pelicans, everyone. Hurry up, guys! Now that's not all. We'll be joined on stage by our long-legged beauties. Here comes our greater flamingos. Let's color the skies with our beautiful fly past ornaments from South America, from up there and there. Our grand finale of birds, everyone. Can we give them a big hand? Now with that, we've come to the end of the show. We certainly hope you have all enjoyed it. Now after we usher these group of birds back home, there's going to be a photography session happening right here on stage. You can come on stage for a contribution of 5 Singapore dollars to take pictures with our other group of flamingos. Do stay on for more details, alright? Now if you want to bring home the birds in the form of plush toys, look up! Available only here at the Post Amphitheatre at a special price. Don't miss out on that offer. On behalf of our sponsors, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, do continue to have a